Hello UK lock spots fellow pickers. Yes, I've got a Baldwin, if you can make out there, Baldwin challenge lock today. This was sent to me by J.j.80 in that fantastic little care package he sent. I've picked it a couple of times, so I'm gonna have a crack at it anyway. I'm just trying, I've got a stand, like a tripod stand, so I'm trying to do a bit better editing. I don't think this thing is, I don't know what sort of pins it's full of, but it feels like to me it's full of, go with the fatter pry bar. I think it's full of serrated pins. 1 second, as it's moving a lot. Got a little false set. I just don't want it moving too much. Right, now we're getting somewhere. I think the lock is full of serrated pins. I'm using a Peterson gem and a fat pry bar. Why is it moving? Come on, man, stop moving. So I'm looking for a false set. There, I've got a slight bit of a false set. There, you hear that click. There, got another false set. Well, not false set, but there we go. That's the Baldwin picked open. And can you leave me some feedback about telling me what, if you prefer me to pick at this angle, or is it better the other angle? I'm sorry about my vocabulary. I'm not got a good vocabulary, but yeah, well, this is the Baldwin pick. Thank you very much.